Hola, ¿cómo estáis? Hoy vamos a practicar unas expresiones españolas relacionadas con la comida. Today we will practice some useful Spanish expressions related to eating. Answers to all tasks involved in this lesson will be given at the end of the post, and you can also follow a link with this post to watch the original theory video lesson on the same topic. First, let's see if you know what these Spanish expressions mean. Comer como una lima. Ponerse morado. Ser un glotón. Hacer ascos. Esta comida no me dice nada. Comer a la fuerza. Next, please tell me the expressions in Spanish to say the following. To eat a lot. To be a big eater. To eat very little. To have qualms about something, or to turn your nose up at something. Certain food is nothing special to me. Can you understand these sentences in Spanish? María me ha dicho que su hijo come como un pajarito. Mi hermano tiene un estómago sin fondo. Yo no le hago ascos a nada. Me voy a poner las botas. Hoy hemos ido a un restaurante y nos hemos puesto morados. A mí esta comida no me dice nada. Finally, please translate the following sentences from English to Spanish using the Spanish eating expressions you have learned. My son eats a lot. When I arrive home, I always eat a lot. Chocolate is nothing special to me. Yesterday, I ate a lot. Forcing to eat is not good. When I was young, I used to eat very little. Bueno, pues esto es todo por hoy. As you see, in Spanish, we have quite a few expressions related to food and eating. To practice these, create sentences about yourself, your relatives, or people you know using these expressions. Like this, you will remember them a lot better. Also, make sure you try them out when you are speaking with native speakers. Hasta pronto!